Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So, as I always mention, if you are new or haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is totally free, it don't cost you nothing. So with that being said, guys, so for today's video, I will be doing an installment engine air filter. Also, I might do my cabin air filters as well. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get both of them done today. I mean, it won't take too long, but I don't know if I want to just put them both in one video or just do two separate videos. So right now, I'm getting ready to head to Advance or AutoZone to purchase the filters. Once I do that, I'll come back home, and install them. So. Alright guys, so I just picked up the air filter. So what I'm getting ready to do now is install it. Now I already removed the cover for the battery. So your air filter is right here. So what I'm getting ready to do, you have 4 screws. One here, one here, one over here, and one somewhere down there. So I'm going to get them unscrewed. Then I'll be able to push that cover back and lift it up and pull that filter out. So give me about maybe 30 seconds. Let me get them screws out, and then I'll be back to show y'all exactly what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so in order for me to have access to get that last screw that's all the way down here out, I don't know if you guys can see it exactly, but it's right here, right in there. I'm going to go ahead and remove the fuse box. Just put it to the side so I can have access to reach in there to get that last bolt out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll show you guys what I'm going to do next. So stay tuned, guys. It is such a tight place, so you really have to be patient with it. And the screws are pretty long too, so that's one of the reasons why it takes a lot longer to get them screwed. But it's a process. This is the size of the screw. So I got the last one out. And now I'm about to just lift off on the filter. Make sure nothing is holding it back. Just like that. Lift off. Push it back. Lift it up. Okay, just like that. Now I got access to the old filter. As you can see, that old filter is dirty as hell. And let's compare it to the new filter. Okay, so this is the new filter. Let's compare it. Make sure it's the right one. As you can see, old filter, new filter, side by side, just like that. So right now, what I'm getting ready to do is just slide that new one back in. And that'll be it. Got some leaves in there. Let me go ahead and remove it. Just like that. Slide this new baby in. So as you can see, guys, this is the slot for the air filter. So you just make sure you follow the shape, and then just slide the new one right back in there. Old filter right here, and this is the new one right over here. Alright guys, so new filter's in. Now it's just the cover that I have to put back in the screws, and we'll be done. You see it's fitting perfectly right. So all I have to do now, like I said, is put back the screws, and we'll be done. So stay tuned guys. Time to put back the screws. I'll do that back one first because it's the hardest one to put in. Fuse box up there. Better reach. Oh shoot. I just dropped the damn screw. All the way out. That damn engine is so damn hot. Just gotta tighten it a little bit more. There you go. Now I can add my remaining screws. So one over here on this side, one on that side, and last one over here. Just going back on. Nice and tight. Alright guys, so now that I got my filters back in, it is time to put my fuse box back in the right position. As you can see, we just gotta make sure that little clip falls right into place. Everything is back into the spot. So one screw that goes back here. And the other one goes right up here on the front side. .10mm socket. everything's back into place. Now it's time to put cover piece back on. This one goes over here. Just like that. And then lastly, I got my battery cover. Goes right over here. Just like that. Alright. So that's it, guys. Air filter is put in. All the covers are back on. So now I think I'm just gonna go ahead and add the cabin air filter as well, since I have them both.